Hi my Nailies, Nicole here from Nikki's Delicious Gel. So here I'm showing you how to apply a tip to your practice finger. I'm using the Russian molding gel. I just use the cuticle pusher to scrape it out of the pot. It is non-sticky, so you can take it off and roll it between your fingers. I then place it into the full nail tip and press it down into the tip, making sure that the side walls are covered. I then place the nail onto, or the tip onto the finger in a 45-degree angle, making sure there's no air bubbles. So easy. I then cure that in a UV LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now we're going to use solid cream gel number 8, the 15ml pot, and we're going to do a thin, even layer of that nude natural color, and then cure for 60 seconds. Go in with a second coat. Also, do it thin. Look how smooth that is. And cure for 60 seconds. Now we're going to use the white. The white is 01. The white and black is 01. And you're just going to do the very, very tip of that nail, right? Then you're going to take a makeup sponge. All right, this is just an old makeup sponge that I cut. And you're going to blend that white into the nail, and then you're going to cure that for 60 seconds. Now you're going to go in just a little further down to where you laid it the first time, and again you're going to use your sponge and you're going to blend it down. Okay, you're using very, very light touches. If you're going to use the sponge hard, it's going to pick up too much polish. So you're just going to use very light touches to sponge that down. You're going to cure that for 60 seconds. Now you're going to do a third layer of the white. Also laying down that polish a little bit further down than your second time. And now you're going to blend it down.